I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. Please note that the availability of Wi-Fi calling is dependent on your cellular data provider, as not all providers offer it. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Cellular in this menu. Step 3. Find the section with the name of your cellular data provider and then click Wi-Fi calling in this section. If you don't see Wi-Fi calling in this section, then your cellular data provider doesn't support the feature. An associated menu opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. A dialog box pops up asking if you're sure you want to enable Wi-Fi calling. Step 5. Tap Enable. Wi-Fi calling will be enabled going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.